Number 1. Meme screenshots. Check this channel's performance. Videos getting 3.6 million views, 3.1 million views, 2.4 million views, with a total of around 120 million views. Assuming a $3 RPM, the ad revenue could be around $360,000 just from uploading funny meme and comment screenshot compilations. Now, you might think YouTube doesn't monetize screenshot videos, and yeah, that's true. But if you add a voiceover, sound effects, transitions, and quality editing, your videos qualify as original content. Here's another channel using the exact same format and getting millions of views. But here's a tip. Don't copy the channel directly. Add your own twist to stand out. For example, you could focus on uploading only Reddit or Instagram comment screenshots instead of using content from all social media platforms. Niching down usually gives you a much better chance of growing. Number 2. Terrifying stories. This channel started a year ago and has already gained over 126,000 subscribers and more than 35 million views. Assuming a $4 RPM, it has made over $4,000 this month. The channel makes videos about the worst cave experiences people have had. The videos highlight disturbing stories of cave divers and explorers who died or almost died in these situations. Somehow, people love watching these types of stories, and they work every single time. This video idea has worked several times in the past and has been tested repeatedly by explainer channels. This creator simply decided to build a dedicated channel around this topic, and it is working pretty well. Here's another channel in the same niche, and it is also doing pretty well. Now, here's an extra idea. You don't have to copy cave stories. You could build the same type of channel around terrifying hiking stories, haunted house explorations, or survival stories. The format already works. Just apply it to a different sub-niche and make it your own. Number 3. Roblox Lore Explainer. This channel makes videos explaining Roblox games, and it has already gained 11 million views. Assuming an RPM of $3, this channel has already made $33,000 from ads. There's another channel creating the same Roblox explanation videos. Despite uploading only 7 videos, they have gained over 3 million views. And the best part about this niche? You never run out of topics. Roblox have unlimited popular games that people already love watching. So if you make videos explaining the story of those games, there's a high chance people will watch your videos. The best part about this explanation-style content is that you can create them for any niche. For example, you could create videos explaining other games outside Roblox. There's a channel doing this exact same thing for GTA, and their channel is performing extremely well. And if you want to take this niche beyond gaming, don't miss niche number 6 later in the video. Number 4. AI animated documentaries. This channel has gained almost 5 million views with only 6 videos. If we assume a $5 RPM, because the videos are long, they've generated around $24,000 from ad revenue. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. These videos are based on real events and require a good amount of research, but creating the actual video is super simple. There's no complex editing, no animations, and no 3D visuals. Just AI-generated videos and a simple voiceover. One thing you should never forget is to disclose your videos as altered content when uploading. It keeps your content aligned with YouTube's policies. Creating animated documentaries used to take months, but with AI, this niche has become much easier. Number 5. Pet psychology. This is a super interesting niche. The channel has gained 95,000 subscribers with only 32 videos. The videos are pretty simple. They talk about the psychology of cats. Assuming an RPM of $4, they've made roughly $15,000 this month from ads revenue. This is another channel that makes videos about dogs. This one literally started just 1 month ago, and their first video got over 2.6 million views. That means their very first video could have made them around $10,000. The best part is that you can replicate these videos and make them for any pet, rabbits, parrots, or anything. Creating these videos is actually super simple. You can use Claude to write your scripts, 11 Labs for voiceover, and CapCut to edit the video. That's basically the entire process. The reason this niche is so powerful is because people are obsessed with their pets and really want to know more about them. Like, who wouldn't want to know what their dog does when they're not in the room? The earning potential in this niche is not limited to AdSense. You can promote pet products through affiliate links, and every time someone makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Number 6. Horror stories. This channel makes horror story videos in the explainer style just like the Blocks Analyst. With only 53 videos, it has gained 14 million views. If we assume a $4 RPM, that's roughly $50,000 from ads. The videos are super simple to make. You could pick any movie genre and make explainer videos on it. This is literally the best format that works with almost every niche. Number 7, showing data. This channel has gained 122 million views. Assuming a $1.5 RPM since the videos are short, that's roughly $183,000 in ad revenue. The concept is very simple. Just show interesting data using animated photos. The editing is incredibly easy. Just move the photos from left to right. This can easily be done using keyframes in any editing software. There are a lot of channels making this type of content, and I've seen big YouTubers reacting to this data. This proves that the niche works. One tip from me, go and study the viral videos from these channels. If one video got 1.5 million views, there's a good chance it will also perform well if you use the same idea and add a little twist. For example, this video performed well in this niche. You could use the same idea and make phones from different countries or waterfalls from different countries. This is a great daily upload niche, and consistent posting can really pay off. Number 8, the space niche. This channel makes short, documentary-style videos about space, planets, black holes, and the universe. Assuming a $5 RPM, because the audience for space content is mostly from the US and UK, and the topics are educational, the channel is already estimated to be making around $26,000 every single month from ads. When you watch their videos, the format is extremely simple. It's just space visuals, a strong voiceover, and good background music. No face, no complex animation. The entire value comes from the script and the way the topic is framed. Titles like, "Why Saturn is the Scariest Planet," or "Pluto is Not What We Thought It Was," make people click out of pure curiosity. The best part about this niche is that you will never run out of topics. Every planet, every moon, every black hole, every cosmic mystery is a potential video. And unlike trend-based niches, space content is completely evergreen. A video you upload today about black holes can still be getting views even 3 years from now. Number 9, history narration. This channel has gained 3.8 million views with just 53 videos. Assuming a $6 RPM because the videos are long and in the history niche, they could earn roughly $22,000 from ad revenue. The videos include voiceover, captions, and AI-generated images. That's it. One reason this channel performs so well is their thumbnails. They are highly clickable. You can use them for inspiration, but always be careful while designing them. You can find historical topics online, summarize them, and then generate scripts using Claude AI. But don't just copy-paste the exact script AI generates. Make sure your content is original and well-researched. So, those were the 9 niches I genuinely believe you should try in 2026 if your goal is to build a monetized YouTube channel. If you're a shorts creator and your videos aren't getting views, you might be making one of these 7 mistakes. Go watch this video next. See you there.